Today, we're installing the Taco Tunes ported subwoofer box behind the rear seat of a Tacoma. This process works for both hybrid and non-hybrid models. First, remove the 3 wire clips and tuck the loose wiring harness into the cavity. Route your power, ground, bass knob, and plug-and-play wires. Slide the subwoofer box into position. Refer to the video or PDF for the exact wiring instructions and amplifier settings. Be sure to adjust the amp settings before you install the subwoofer into its final home. Note how the wires fit into the channel below the amplifier. Caution: ensure the subwoofer box straddles the seatbelt mechanism. The white end caps are very fragile. Be sure to lower the subwoofer box slowly to avoid contacting the end caps. As you lower the subwoofer box into position, push the wiring into the cavity and tuck the wires into the channel. Before you start playing your subwoofer, make sure both rear seats are securely locked into position. The seats will require a firm push to latch properly. If you're having any trouble getting them to click into place, double check that the latch mechanism is fully open. This subwoofer box is specifically designed to work with both seats upright and securely locked.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the social medias, as well as subscribe to us on YouTube, because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio upgrade in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, whether it has JBL, non-JBL, is a hybrid, or a non-hybrid.